Hey y'all, you know I'm working on my consistency, so we're doing days in life. Today is Sunday, June 2nd. I literally just been laying in bed. It's like 1:20 right now. I woke up at like 12, but I've been just laying here. Right now we're having watch hour. My girls dropped on YouTube, Aaliyah, Kyra, and Fatima. I am watching Aaliyah right now, but y'all know she be having like hour-long videos, and so does Kyra. I don't know if I'm gonna watch both of them because I do feel like getting up and going outside today, being a little productive. Or I might just wait a little bit. So maybe I might watch all my girls right now. I don't know. I literally have not even rolled out of the bed yet. Like, did not do anything. So y'all know this is me stink breath recording. And well, here's some content for your ass that y'all been asking.
So now I'm watching it. Hey guys, I just went and got bubble tea. I went to Laser this morning.
Hey everyone, good morning. Welcome back to another video. If you're new here, my name's Kyra. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe.
Okay, y'all. Finally getting up out of bed. Watch day is over. I guess I don't be coming here and introducing myself. So, hey y'all, it's Lay. Say.laybae, if you want to be exact. Say.laybae, literally. My first name is short for Elisha, but anyway, Lay. Do not ever call me by my first name. But anyway, hey, it's Lay. Hey, it's Lay. If you're new here, subscribe. How does it go? If you're new here, it's Lay. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe. Okay. If you're new here, my name is Lay. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe. If you're new here, let me stop. Anyway, I'm starting to roll up out of bed now. First things first, before I do anything, I need to clean this room. Let me show you what we're working with. A tornado flew around my room before you came. Excuse the mess it made. It usually doesn't rain in Southern California, much like Arizona. My eyes don't shed tears, but boy, they pour when I'm... Yeah, that's the vibes. That's the vibes that we're working with. It needs to get put together because there's no reason why it should look like that. So that's the first part of this day in the life. We did a little watch morning, or it wasn't morning. I slept my whole morning away. But we did a little watch day. We're going to clean up this mess, put myself together in the most way that I feel like putting myself together because I don't feel like getting too dressed. There's a carnival across the street. I don't know if I said this already, but there's a carnival across the street that I might go to get some food or a little something. I'm playing little games by myself, just solo. And then we just gonna see where the rest of the fucking day takes us, because that's all I have planned so far.
Good, loving, feel so numb. Ride me till I'm about to come. I see you are about to climb. Axel, oh girl, don't be shy. Is you ready? Is you ready, baby? You seem ready. You seem ready, baby. Girl, tonight I won't be selfish. It is all for you. Girl, my bad, I just can't help it. Girl, you taste so good. Loving, feel so numb. Ride me till I'm about to come. I see you are about to climb. Axel, Oh girl, don't be shy. Hey shawty's what I'm here for, I'm ready. When you downtown, when I'm around town, I'm ready. Girl, just let me know what's good. Girl, just let me know what's good. Girl, they won't know, they won't know. Girl, you're beautiful, no, no, they won't. Oh, we go. And the time's still running, and my mind's still running. Clock still high from your Jimmy Choos. And you know I got experience, so you know I just want experience. Girl, my bad, I just can't help it. But yeah, you taste so good, loving, feel so numb. You ride me till I'm about to come. I see you are about to claim. Act so, oh girl, don't be shy. Hey shawty's what I'm here for, I'm ready. When you downtown, when I'm around town, I'm ready. Girl, just let me know what's good. Girl, just let me know what's good. Girl, they won't know, they won't know.
Okay, that's all I got for this area. I did not feel like reorganizing the closet to fit those in there, but that's all cleaned up. These are out because that's what I'm wearing today. But yeah, the floors are cleaned up. Now it's time to get myself together and get out in the streets. Okay, so backwards, but now we're about to brush our teeth, get in the shower, get dressed. Yes, I haven't brushed my teeth all day. And it's currently 4-something p.m. Do I give a fuck? No. I'm trying to work on cussing, so I'm gonna try to do things without saying bad words. But I'll be back when I'm done doing all my good deeds. They're not good deeds. All of my regular business that I need to attend. I have a whole entire shower cap. This is the extra large one or whatever, the one that's like long for your braids or whatever. I have a whole ass shower cap. I also have the smaller one, just like a regular size shower cap, and a bunch of plastic shower caps. But for whatever reason, I just prefer a grocery bag and a clip. Like, what do I even buy shower caps for? I don't know. Okay, this is the vibes for today. I really didn't feel like getting dressed, so yeah, we just put on my Mariah the Scientist concert tee, some red sweatpants I got from Shein, my Adidas slides, and just a little jewelry to dress it up just a little bit. But yeah, this the vibes. This the vibes. On the town we go. Okay, y'all. Walking to the Carnival, which is right there. Hear the kids screaming already, but I just want some food or something. Damn. She driving like a bat out of fucking hell. I don't never know what that saying means, but when I be seeing them drive like that, I think it fit, right? I see the funnel cake stand. I don't know what I want. I don't know what's the vibes.
Bounce on that shit, damn. 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 Bounce on that shit, no hand. Bounce on that shit, damn. Bounce on that shit, no hand. Bounce on that shit, damn. Bounce on that shit, no hand. Bounce on that shit.
Okay, y'all. I ate all that I could eat. And I also underestimated how hot it was, given that the sun wasn't out. But oh well. Not like I'm uncomfortably hot right now. And it's starting to cool down, so I'll be cool. Just on my way, walking back home. Stay tuned for the rest of the day. We on the road. Stay tuned to see where we going. We vibing. We on the road. The day is just taking a day. It's Sunday Funday. Bitch, I'm not trying to race you. I hate when motherfuckers think I'm trying to race them. I'm not trying to race you. It don't give grace. Especially not where the fuck we're at right this second. Please. Flooring it. And then you didn't even go nowhere. Ugh. Get me off the phone. Who actually told it to rain right now? Like right now, where I got to where I'm going, it decided to rain? Rain. Like rain. Like, huh? Although I do like the rain, it kind of is taken away from what I was about to do. We're getting on, yeah, for real. We're getting on the boat with Sugar Bear. Y'all remember him? That's cousin Sugar Bear. He's fishing. We're getting on the boat. Peach Fuzz over there.
You want it all, don't you?
I know that you're drunk. Tell me what you want after this club. You know you nasty. Don't ride in my house, call the taxi. I'm picky with my women, I'm deciding. Call me to your women, I'm sliding. I'm picky with my women, I'm deciding. Call me to your women, I'm sliding. I'm on first things first, let me get that introduction. We on the long road to sell this drug. You was so in love, you weren't gonna tell me nothing. Let me get this clear, cause I had no idea. Let's get loaded.
Shorty switch, she's looking different and she tatted too. And she independent, swear this bitch is different and she nasty too. You know my body different, what I won't forget it, I'm an animal. And her body different, I'ma eat her like bitch like I'm Hannibal. I'm an edible, I get active too. I'ma eat that pussy like an edible. For sure. I'm from Pakistan, but on mommy be popping that Adderall. For sure. That pussy be powder wet when you win it, it feel like it's grabbing you. For sure. I don't need better show, but I
told you, sex over Henny. Fake over? Fake damn. Who's that?
We on my way to work. You drunk? You swerving. I'm sexy, so be nervous. Bustin' looks at my nigga in the form, sir. Real bad bitch, ain't I average, that's absurd. He used to can't handle big sex.
I know it's low over here.
If you could, niggas say they jamming lines, they ain't jamming shit. These bitches ain't
Yeah, I knew that. I'm not fucking around.
Is that right here on your phone?
y'all together though?
Off of Mighty Ducks, yeah, what's it called?
Why they all together like that? Did you put me on there?
Hey,
Yeah, you about to be my
right
vlog.
behind you, Mighty Ducks. You get it?
Cool's on the boat. This is Cool, my girl Cool. Welcome her to my vlog. That's a lie. Let's go to my